Luscious, vibrant hair has been a symbol of beauty and vitality for centuries. Across different cultures and eras, healthy hair has always been admired and sought after. It represents not just physical beauty, but also a sense of well-being and health. A healthy head of hair can boost our confidence and make us feel our best. It can be a source of pride and a reflection of our overall health. When our hair looks good, we feel good, and this can positively impact our daily lives and interactions. However, many people struggle with hair loss, thinning and damage, which can be distressing and affect self-esteem. These issues can arise from various factors such as genetics, stress, poor diet, and environmental damage. The emotional toll of hair problems can be significant, leading to a search for effective solutions. While there are countless commercial products promising miraculous results, turning to nature's remedies offers a gentle and holistic approach to hair care. Natural remedies are often free from harsh chemicals and can provide long-term benefits without the risk of side effects. They work in harmony with our body's natural processes. This essay delves into the world of herbal remedies for hair health, exploring a diverse array of plants that can nourish your scalp, strengthen your strands, and promote healthy hair growth. From common kitchen herbs to exotic plants, nature offers a treasure trove of ingredients that can transform your hair care routine. From ancient traditions to modern scientific understanding, we'll uncover the power of plants in transforming your hair care routine from the roots to the tips. We'll look at how different cultures have used plants for hair care and how modern science is validating these age-old practices. Let's embark on a journey to rediscover the natural beauty of your hair through the wisdom of herbal medicine. By understanding the properties of various herbs and how they can benefit your hair, you can create a personalized hair care regimen that is both effective and nurturing. By harnessing the potency of plants, you can achieve the vibrant, healthy hair you've always desired. Whether it's through homemade hair masks, herbal rinses, or natural oils, the possibilities are endless. The key is to find what works best for your hair type and needs. Embrace the power of nature and unlock the secrets to healthy, radiant hair. With patience and consistency, you can transform your hair and enjoy the benefits of natural, holistic hair care. Let's begin this exciting journey together. For centuries, cultures around the world have turned to the healing power of plants to address various ailments, including hair and scalp concerns. From ancient Egypt to traditional Chinese medicine, the use of herbs has been a cornerstone in maintaining and restoring hair health. Herbal remedies offer a gentle yet effective approach to promoting hair health by addressing the root causes rather than merely masking the symptoms. Unlike chemical-laden products, herbs work in synergy with your body's natural processes, ensuring long-term benefits without harmful side effects. These natural solutions work in harmony with your body, providing nourishment, balance, and vitality. Whether used in the form of teas, oils, or topical treatments, herbs can rejuvenate your hair from the inside out. Herbs can benefit hair health in numerous ways, from strengthening the hair shaft to improving scalp conditions. Many herbs are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that nourish the scalp and hair follicles, promoting healthy growth from within. For instance, herbs like nettle and horsetail are packed with silica and sulfur, essential for strong, resilient hair. Certain herbs possess antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and astringent properties that can address scalp issues such as dandruff, dryness, and excess oil production. Herbs like rosemary and tea tree oil are particularly effective in maintaining a healthy scalp environment. Herbs can strengthen the hair shafts, reducing breakage and split ends, leading to thicker, fuller-looking hair. Regular use of herbs like amla and bringraj can significantly improve hair texture and volume. Some herbs improve blood circulation to the scalp, stimulating dormant hair follicles and promoting new hair growth. Massaging the scalp with herbal oils like peppermint or lavender can invigorate the scalp and enhance hair growth. By incorporating these herbal allies into your hair care routine, you can create a holistic approach to achieving the healthy, vibrant hair you deserve. Embrace the wisdom of nature and let these powerful plants transform your hair care regimen. Alfalfa, Medicago sativa, often hailed as the father of all foods, is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants that benefit overall health, including hair growth. This humble herb is particularly rich in vitamins A, C, E and K, as well as biotin, a B-complex vitamin essential for healthy hair growth. Alfalfa's benefits for hair: the abundance of vitamins and minerals in alfalfa nourishes the hair follicles, strengthening the hair shafts and promoting healthy growth. Alfalfa is believed to help prevent hair loss by providing the scalp and hair follicles with essential nutrients. Regular consumption of alfalfa can improve hair texture, making it softer, smoother and more manageable. Word of caution: alfalfa is generally safe for consumption. However, individuals with autoimmune diseases or those taking blood thinners should consult their healthcare provider before using alfalfa. Section 4. Birch leaves revitalizing the scalp. Birch leaves, or Betula pendula, have been traditionally used for their purifying and revitalizing properties. These delicate leaves are rich in saponins, flavonoids and tannins, which contribute to their beneficial effects on the scalp and hair. Birch leaves' benefits for hair include stimulating hair growth by improving blood circulation to the scalp, delivering vital nutrients to the hair follicles. They also reduce dandruff due to their antifungal and antibacterial properties, helping to control dandruff and other scalp infections. Additionally, rinsing hair with birch leaf tea can add shine and luster to dull, lifeless hair. A word of caution: while generally safe for topical use, birch leaves may cause allergic reactions in some individuals. It's always a good idea to perform a patch test before using any new herbal remedy. Section 5. Burdock deep cleansing for healthy growth. Burdock, or Arctium lappa, with its long, prickly burrs, might not seem like an obvious choice for hair care. Yet this humble plant has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its remarkable health benefits. However, this often overlooked herb boasts deep cleansing and scalp-soothing properties that can benefit hair health. When used in hair care routines, burdock root can help cleanse the scalp thoroughly, removing impurities and excess oils. Burdock root is particularly rich in inulin, a prebiotic fiber that promotes a healthy gut microbiome, which in turn can positively impact hair growth. Inulin helps nourish beneficial gut bacteria, which play a crucial role in overall health, including the health of your hair. Burdock's benefits for hair include detoxifying the scalp by acting as a blood purifier, which helps to improve circulation and deliver essential nutrients to hair follicles. Helping to remove toxins from the body, including the scalp, burdock root ensures that the scalp remains clean and free from harmful substances that could hinder hair growth. By promoting a healthy environment for hair growth, burdock root can help you achieve stronger, healthier hair. Regular use of burdock root in hair care can lead to noticeable improvements in hair texture and strength. It also reduces scalp inflammation with its anti-inflammatory properties, making it an excellent remedy for those suffering from scalp conditions such as dandruff or psoriasis. Soothing an irritated scalp and reducing itching and redness, burdock root can provide much-needed relief and comfort. Moreover, burdock is believed to help combat hair loss by strengthening hair follicles and promoting hair growth. Its nourishing properties ensure that hair remains strong and less prone to breakage. A word of caution: burdock root is generally safe for consumption. However, it is always best to consult with a healthcare provider before adding any new herb to your routine. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should avoid using it, as its effects during these periods are not well studied. Always prioritize safety and seek professional advice when in doubt. Section 6. Calendula soothing inflammation and promoting healing. Calendula, or Calendula officinalis, with its cheerful orange blossoms, is a versatile herb renowned for its gentle yet potent healing properties. Calendula's anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial and vulnerary, or wound healing properties make it an excellent choice for addressing various scalp concerns. Calendula's benefits for hair include soothing scalp irritation, effectively reducing itching, redness and inflammation. Its vulnerary properties can help heal minor scalp wounds and abrasions. Additionally, rinsing hair with calendula tea can add shine and softness, leaving it more manageable. A word of caution: calendula is generally safe for topical use. However, individuals with allergies to plants in the Asteraceae family, such as ragweed and daisies, should exercise caution. Section 7. Chaparal. Addressing scalp conditions. Chaparal, or Larrea tridentata, a desert shrub native to the southwestern United States and Mexico, has a long history of use in traditional medicine, including for hair and scalp health. Chaparal contains a potent antioxidant called NDGA, or nordihydroguaretic acid, which is believed to contribute to its medicinal properties. Chaparal's benefits for hair include combating scalp infections with its antimicrobial properties, helping to address issues like dandruff and seborrheic dermatitis. It also reduces scalp inflammation with its anti-inflammatory effects, soothing an irritated scalp and reducing itching and redness. Some believe chaparral can stimulate hair growth by promoting blood circulation to the scalp. A word of caution: chaparral is a potent herb and should be used with caution. Long-term or excessive use can potentially lead to liver damage. It's crucial to consult with a qualified healthcare professional before using chaparral. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more natural health tips and remedies. Stay healthy naturally.